Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the rock, which is typically jet black due to the rapid cooling of lava without crystal growth. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Obsidian, obsidian, ob-si-dian, obsidian. Obsidian is crucial in the context of geology and ancient tool making, helping geologists and archaeologists to understand volcanic activity and early human technology. It's a naturally occurring volcanic glass known for its sharpness and smooth, glossy texture. If you enjoyed learning about obsidian, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.